Alexa, just don't make too much noise. Thank you. So you make noise anyway. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back, and if you're new, welcome to the wonderful world of me. Today's video is a skincare video, and I'll be giving you my top 5 skincare tips for beginners. Just a quick disclaimer, I am not a dermatologist or a skincare expert. These are just things I looked up when looking up my own skincare routine and stuff. So do not cover my neck, please. Cheers. But before we get started, make sure to check out my videos from the past few weeks. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a huge thumbs up, and make sure to leave some comments down below. But anyway, let's get on. Tip number 1, know your skin type. There are 5 main skin types and we'll go through them. Skin type number 1, normal skin. Your skin isn't too oily, it's not too dry, you've got good blood circulation, you tend to have a good base, you don't get spots too much, your skin doesn't produce too much sebum. So you're blessed. How does it feel to be God's favourite? Let me know, because it must be nice. The type 2 you have is oily skin. Your skin has quite a greasy complexion. You tend to have quite large pores. You're acne prone, and that's because your skin is producing too much sebum. Type 3 is dry skin, which is self-explanatory. Your skin tends to be rough in texture, dry and flaky. That's because your skin is not producing enough sebum. 4th type of skin is combination skin, where your T-zone and chin tend to be on the more oily side and your cheeks are dry. That is me. My T-zone will be all oily and my cheeks will be dry like the Sahara Desert. But anyway, and the 5th type of skin is sensitive skin, where your skin tends to react quite badly to new products and just like sensations and stuff. So those are the 5 main skin types. Obviously, if you want to know more about your skin, definitely look into different skin types, different skin type tests, and just experiment and work it out. Tip number 2, keep it simple. Obviously, when you watch people on their skincare routines, they tend to have like a million products with fancy names that you can't even pronounce, and you're just like, oh my god, what do I do? Yeah, keep it simple. When I started my skincare routine, I had 3 products. I had a toner, a cleanser, and an exfoliating scrub, and I was good to go for a while. Then I got a little bit adventurous and I added one little thing here, one little thing here. There's nothing worse than going out and buying 10 products because you've seen someone else buy them, and then your skin flares up and you've now got 10 new products. You don't even know what one did what. Start simple and add bits slowly but surely, so your skin gets used to it. You know what your skin likes, what it doesn't like. Happy days, your skin will be glowing. Tip number 3, be consistent. You can't just be doing skincare routine here, there, and once in a while, and then be boo-hoo-hooing that you haven't got results. You need to be consistent. This is now a life commitment. It's like marriage, but you haven't got the option of divorce. Once you start, you can't stop. Or you shouldn't stop. Be consistent. You need to cleanse your skin. You need to cleanse your skin at least once a day, preferably at night time if you're only going to do it once a day, especially if you wear makeup, because Jesus Christ, some of you girls and guys will be beating up your face beat, eyebrows on fleek, and then you fall asleep and then you wonder why you woke up with that big old spot on your chin. Your pores need to breathe, just saying. But yeah, ideally cleanse twice a day, morning and night time. But if you're only going to do it once a day, do it in the night time. And if you wear makeup, please do it in the night time. Thank you. Tip number 4. Drink water. Drink water. Our bodies are made up of about 60% water. Our skin is made up of about 64% water. You need to help yourselves. You can't be waking up, drinking Diet Coke, drinking a coffee, drinking all this fizzy drinks, and then wonder why your skin is feeling parched. You need to just drink water, please. Help your skin. Help me to help you to help yourself. Tip number 5. SPF. Now I know some of you black people are gonna be like,
I need some cream. I got melanin popping.
I'm talking to you especially. You need SPF. Like, I used to be one of people was like, I don't need sunscreen, I'm black. You can still burn. You can still burn. Skin cancer is real. Like, melanin only has like an SPF of like SPF 13. It can only do so much, especially when the sun is blazing. Obviously we don't get that too much in the UK, but when the sun is out, it's out and it's not here to play. SPF yourself. Benefits of SPF: lowers the risk of skin cancer, protects you against UV rays, helps prevent premature aging. Nobody wants to look 30 and people think you're in your 50s. That's just rude. So please, just put a bit of SPF on. People, guys and girls, come closer. Come closer. I've got a little bonus tip for you, but I need you to come in because it's a bit of a secret. So come. Are you listening? Are you listening? Mind your business. That's it. Mind your business. It's a scientific proven fact that if you mind your business, your pores shrink. Your pores shrink and your skin is clear. So mind your business. Mind your business and drink water. Skin glowing, yeah? I am proof of this. I'm joking, but no, seriously, mind your business. Those are my top skincare tips for beginners. Let me know in the comment section which ones you found the most useful. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. There will be more skincare videos in the future. Make sure to go and check out my video from last week with my baby bro. We're over here, and check out videos from my makeup dummy series. That'll be over here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a huge thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I will see you in next week's video. Peace. Mwah.